Good evening. Today's date is 9/2/2019. We're in the month of September. Tomorrow, Tuesday. Happy Labor Day, everybody. Hope it was good and you enjoyed your time. Boy, it went by quick. Now, one thing, we're in the month of September. We're up here at a major resistance level that we go back to. The date that we're going to go back to is right here. And that date just so happens to be where the breakdown was. And it was. And that was on 8/1. So when we started right here on that downtrend, we came here, we popped up. The volatility was there in the month of August, and everybody knows it. And in the last week, going into the holiday, they got the best 5 days because everybody has been on vacation in August. That's why they call it the dog days of August. I do know one thing, beyond a reasonable doubt. This S&P 500 can be extremely volatile, bigger than what it was in the month of August of 19 that just passes by. We're up here at a major resistance level starting out September 3rd. And yes, they did come back in when no one around, but they're all going to be back from vacation. We got a lot of stuff that's coming out, lots of economic indicators that's going to create volatility. We got the jobless report coming out on Friday. That's going to create a lot of volatility. So the volume should be a lot higher than what we experienced in August, in the dog days. But we had a nice rally off of the bottom. And right now, I'm looking for a gap down in the morning, the way that things are looking right now. So we're going to be in a trading range, 29.40 to 28.25. The 28.25, that date was on 8/15. Yeah, August 15th right here. So basically, we're in a range, the same range. Straight down, we come up, we test these areas, we get big sell downs, lots of volatility, a lot of China news, Hong Kong this, Hong Kong that. We know the problem of it is that this is the range. And I will tell you that this market has not put a bottom in. No way at all. Far from it. Even when we were going down here, that wasn't a bottom. None of these pullbacks that had the big volatility, downside volatility, none of them were a bottom, and they weren't. And I'm still telling you it isn't. And the fear indicators are showing that people are, well, not so fearful because they think there might be a deal in China, big deal. We're in the trading range on the S&P. It's going to stay that way. And so volatility, welcome September volatility. You'll enjoy it if you know how to trade it. But listen, there's a range. That range is not going to change. And we'll start to move through one of the most volatile sides of September. September is going to have volatility. Beware of it. Make sure you got your stops. Make sure you're doing everything right. Range bound.